Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A05. Simply go on Google, tap on your profile, scroll down, go in settings, tap on Google Assistant, go in Hey Google, simply enable this option, tap on return voice match. As you can see, error is showing that Google isn't your default application. So now let's select the Google Assistant default application, go in settings, scroll down, go in display, again scroll down, go in navigation bar, scroll down to default assistant app, simply select the Google from here, tap on OK. Now let's go again in Google Assistant, simply tap on retain voice match model. Now you have to say these words which is written here. Hey Google, help me to write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. My Google Assistant is now ready. Now let's check it out. Hey Google, set the timer for 10 minutes.
Right, a 10-minute timer. Starting now.
As you can see, 10-minute timer is set, which is also showing in status bar. This is how you can enable and set up Google Assistant on Samsung Galaxy A05. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.